Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to the s over s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 go in here, and we can find the value of u, and so u equals to ln number 2. When s equals to number 3, so u equals to ln number 3. So number 2 we change by ln number 2. Number 3 we change by ln number 3. ln s we change by u. ds over s we change by du. The integration of u got about u square over 2, and we put the bounds from ln number 2 to ln number 3. And now we put ln number 3 and ln number 2 go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.